Have you ever looked at a succulent and thought, wait, wasn't this green yesterday? If you have, you're not imagining things. Some succulents actually change color, and honestly, it's one of the most fascinating things about growing them. These plants shift their shades based on how much sun they get, how often you water them, and even the temperature around them. The less you fuss over them, the more dramatic and colorful they become. A little stress goes a long way with succulents. Today we're looking at 20 of the most stunning succulents that change color, and by the end of this, you're going to want every single one of them. Before we continue, if you love gardening and want access to our exclusive plant guides, advanced tips, free ebooks, and premium videos, make sure to join the Balcony Garden Web membership. Members get special members-only content that we don't share in regular videos. So join now and take your gardening skills to the next level. Let's kick things off with one that really lives up to its name, the Sunset Aloe. In partial shade, this aloe stays a calm light green. But move it into full sun and the whole plant transforms into this fierce glowing red. The edges even develop white spikes as it soaks up more light. It's dramatic in the best way. Kiwi Ionium, also known as Dream Color, and you'll see exactly why. It grows in a rosette shape, starting with a creamy yellow center that slowly bleeds into bright pink orange, with a thin rose red band right at the edges. It looks like a little sunset sitting in a pot. Red Pagoda is a branching succulent that comes in yellow-green with bright red tips. The cooler the nights get, and the more the sun it gets, the deeper and more intense those red tips become. It's especially stunning in winter when the color really pops. Chocolate Sunday's name alone is enough to make you want it. This one grows in gorgeous rosettes with a lime green center and rich red tips that get even deeper and more intense as the seasons change, or when it spends more time in bright sunlight. Red Reuben starts as an evergreen rosette in emerald green, patterned with burgundy red tips, and as the seasons shift and the climate gets cooler, those colors intensify beautifully. It's one of those plants that just keeps getting better over time. Crosby's Prolific has deep green rosettes with a speckled, almost reptile-like skin and toothed edges. Keep it in bright sunlight and watch it shift from green to a vivid orange red. It's the kind of transformation that makes you do a double take. Pearl von Nürnberg is an Echeveria fan favorite for a reason. In shade, it sits in a soft solitary green. Put it under direct sunlight and it transforms into a stunning purple pink. It's compact, elegant, and looks incredible on a windowsill or as a tabletop plant. Raindrops is one of the more unique looking succulents out there. It has these adorable droplet-shaped bumps near the tips of its light green leaves, which are edged in red. In bright light and cool weather, the whole plant shifts to shades of red and pink, truly one of a kind. Transiens Haworthia starts as a neat rosette of fleshy light green leaves. Put it under full sun and it transforms into a brown-red tone with beautiful translucent edges. It's subtle, but so striking once you notice the change. Hummel's Sunset actually won an award from the Royal Horticultural Society back in 1993, and for good reason. In winter it transitions from green to gold and red, like a miniature tree growing through the most beautiful autumn of its life. Exactly what it sounds like, giant jelly bean. Round, fat, glossy, little green leaves that look like jelly beans. In full sun they turn a gorgeous cherry red. And as a bonus, the plant produces tiny star-shaped white blooms, cute and colorful. Voodoo makes a fantastic ground cover with its evergreen foliage that shifts to a deep pink in the intense heat of summer. It also blooms with rose-pink flowers, so you get color from both the leaves and the blossoms. Milico starts out as a bright green rosette and changes to a rich, shiny brown red when it gets enough sun exposure. It also grows bell-shaped orange flowers, which look amazing against those deep-toned leaves. Alpenglow is a hybrid with trailing stems, which makes it perfect for hanging baskets. The rosette starts with a subtle green hint and transforms into a brilliant pink red when it gets plenty of bright sunlight and isn't overwatered. Low maintenance and high reward. Pencil Cactus is a real showstopper. Its thin pencil-like stems are green by default, but in bright, direct sunlight they turn a magnificent red-orange. It almost looks like it's on fire. Definitely a conversation starter in any space. The Black Prince starts its life as a small bright green rosette, and as it matures in full sun it slowly shifts into a deep moody brown, almost black. It's one of those plants that looks completely different depending on how long you've had it. Moonstones has these chubby round leaves in a silvery blue-green that are impossible not to touch. With longer sun exposure, they take on a lovely pink-purple hue. It's soft, dreamy, and a must-have for any collection. Paddle plant has these large, smooth, flat leaves that are initially all green. But once you give it enough sunlight, the leaves flush with red-pink color, especially around the edges. It's bold, it's structural, and the color change is impossible to miss. Also known as hens and chicks, house fleek is a classic evergreen succulent that produces tiny rosettes, offsets all around it. In sunlight, the whole cluster takes on a pink-red shade. It's charming, spreads naturally, and is incredibly easy to grow. And we're ending on a dramatic tone. Black Beauty develops deep purple leaves and plenty of sun. So deep that from a distance they actually look black. If you love bold, dark foliage, this one is absolutely for you. And there you have it, 20 succulents that literally change color right before your eyes. The secret to getting the most out of these plants is simple. Give them bright light, ease up on the water, and let them sit a little snug in their pots. A little bit of stress brings out the best colors. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these is your favorite. I'd love to know. See you in the next video.